Hey guys, today we're factoring and simplifying rational expressions. So here I have x to the third minus 4x over x to the third plus 5x squared plus 6x. So I'm going to look at the top and see if there's anything I can factor out of the top. And I realize right away that there is an x in each term, and the lowest power that I see is x to the first, so I will factor out an x. And when I factor out an x out of each term, I'm left with x squared minus 4. So I'll slide that over a little bit. So I'm not done with the top because I realize there's an x squared minus 4, and that is a difference of two squares. So I have x, and I am going to factor my x squared minus 4, and that's x plus 2 times x minus 2. Not much more I can do as far as factoring that. So let's look at the bottom. Is there anything I can factor out of the bottom? Well, I can factor an x out of every term in the bottom. So that leaves me with x squared plus 5x plus 6. All right, so we have this trinomial on the bottom, and I need to see if I can factor it. Are there two numbers that you know that you can multiply together to be 6? But add together to be 5? Well, I know of some. And so I'll make my two parentheses here, and I'll put an x in each parenthesis. We'll have two plus signs because I have two plus signs here. And now two numbers that multiply together to be 6 but add together to be 5 are 2 and 3. So right away, I notice here that I have an x plus 2 and an x plus 2. But I also have this x and this x. So those are going to cancel. All right? So what I'm left with is x minus 2 on the top and x plus 3 on the bottom. And that's our final answer. And that's how you factor and simplify these rational expressions.